Hi folks, Racer here. Work on the axles for the 59 Chevrolet BelAir. Got some new bearings pressed on there. Got the retainer plate cleaned up. I'm going to put new studs in. Show you a quick little way to do that. Now I'm going to take and tap them in a little, start them. That's about all I'm going to do. Give them a little tap. Just so they stay put. Oh yeah, when you put the bearings on, remember to put that plate on first. Otherwise, you're going to be cussing yourself. Just give them a little tap. That's it. Okay, then we're going to move you around here a little bit. Okay, if you're going to clamp your axle shaft in a vise, protect it. You don't want any dents in there because them are stress risers and could lead to failure. I'm trying to avoid failure. So I got this old t-shirt of a rag here. Get that clamped in there. Don't even have to be real tight. Just kind of so you don't have to chase it. Let's move on. Now the quick and easy way I do it is this Maddox U-joint front end ball joint press arrangement. Got it at Harbor Freight. Yeah, that's it. A little awkward, but not bad. But yeah, this is pretty quick. You just slip the hole over the stud. I'll do this a little slower so you can see. Then you run your press screw down. Try to be kind of centered on the head so you push it square. Being how I got an impact, I'm using. And that's it. I would recommend, and I'm going to do this, I have her in the car, I'm going to run it a little while, and I'm going to recheck these lug nuts several times just to make sure. And I better get that one in there too, huh? Might notice that. Just make sure they don't come down any. Let's get that guy. That would have been a cussing situation. Imagine if you got the axle in the car and you're doing it, you might be able to arrange a plate to go here and pull the screw plunger out, just run the screw right up against the axle flange, maybe a flat washer in there, protect it, just to get it pushed in from the other side. Maybe that'd work. I don't think I've ever tried it, but now, just like that. Here's the kit from the good old Harbor Freight. You open her up, it's got different adapters for different ball joints and such. You can also use it for a U-joint press. That's mostly what I got it for. It was like 80 bucks or something. I'm not doing production work. It should look really good. But hey, thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe, please comment. I like the comments. Try to respond to everyone. See you in Sikeston if you make her there. No Name Nationals 2023. See y'all.